What is up, everybody? So today we're going to talk a little bit about home insurance. This is my favorite thing that we offer because it's so important, and the home is your biggest investment in a lot of cases. So we want to make sure it's covered right. And there are three coverages that you absolutely have to really make sure you're covered correctly. First is going to be roof replacement cost. That is one of the biggest things, and a lot of carriers don't tell you how your roof is being covered. Number two is going to be utility line or service line, depending on what carrier you're with. It's going to change name to name on some carriers. And number three, and this is the most important one in my opinion, is equipment breakdown. So let's go ahead and start taking a look. So first, let's kick things off with the roof replacement cost coverage. Let's think of this as a safety net for your roof. Let's imagine that a giant storm comes through. You hear big thunder, loud lightning, and you're in your house, comfortable, safe, secure. And then boom, boom, you hear the hail. It's the worst thing imaginable, especially when you hear it pounding your roof. It's stressful, right? Without this roof replacement cost coverage, your insurance company isn't gonna pay to fully replace that roof. And let's be honest, it's not like that fine wine you have sitting in the cabinet. It's not getting better with time, it's getting worse. However, if you have this roof replacement cost coverage, you are gonna have your roof completely replaced minus your deductible. It's all about giving you peace of mind. Replacement cost coverage is an absolute game changer for so many people because your roof can cause a huge financial hardship for many people. That's what this coverage is. It's a safety net for you. It's wanting to make sure you're not having to pay out of pocket for the depreciation, which sometimes can be even more than your deductible depending on the age of your roof. Think of this coverage kind of like a superhero swooping in to save the day for you. Number two on this list is going to be service line or utility line coverage, again, depending on what carrier you're with. With this service line coverage, you can keep your home running efficiently the way it needs to run. Let's think about it. When you're thinking about home insurance, you're thinking about your doors, your walls, your roof, everything like that, all the property inside of it. That's what home policies cover, right? Everybody kind of knows that. But what happens if the city has to come in and start digging up on your grounds? And let's say they have to repair a water line, a gas line, electric line, anything like that that's underneath the property itself. Your first thought may be, well, the city's coming in, they're doing the digging, right? So they're going to be responsible. That's not true. Very, very, very rarely is that actually going to be the case. Many times, you as the homeowner is going to be responsible for all the damages done to get it repaired. So they're digging up your yard, they're doing all of that. You have to pay to get all that fixed. But with this coverage, it's going to take care of it for you. And last, my favorite one is the equipment breakdown. This may be the biggest unsung hero on a home policy that you could possibly have. So I live in Texas where it can get 105 or 110 with no problem in the middle of the summer. It can get miserable. So let's say it's like that for you. What happens on the hottest day of summer? It's inevitable. Your air conditioning is going to just decide to stop working. That's no bueno. What about if inside your house, your refrigerator decides to take a little bit of an early retirement? It can be so frustrating, right? Having equipment breakdown can be your guardian angel in this situation. You don't have to stress if something goes bad all of a sudden having a massive repair bill to get it fixed anymore. This will get you taken care of now. It covers things from the HVAC system, your refrigeration, electrical systems, and so much more. So instead of stressing, thinking, where am I going to come up with $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, however much it may be to get this fixed, if you have this on your home policy, it's like having a trusted repairman available 24/7 for you, and you're not having to worry about a giant bill anymore. So those are the three coverages that are absolute must-haves for you on your home policy. So what do you think about these coverages? Do you have any questions or any experiences with them? If so, drop them in the comments below. Let me hear about them. And as with everything else, same thing applies true to here. Knowledge is power, and it's especially true on your home insurance. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it shed a little bit more light on some home coverages that you really might be missing and that you really need to check out. So if you felt like this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever platform you're on, go ahead and share that. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting pretty regular, trying to give insight into insurance, give you more knowledge to make better decisions for yourself and your family. So until next time, guys, make sure you're keeping that home, sweet home, protected the right way.